Okay, I have here some task for you guys to practice your knowledge about for cycle. Anytime you have or you have an assignment, what do you need to do? And here is the result which will be in your terminal. Okay, so again, here is an assignment, here this is the result in the terminal, and so on and so on. So we have 4 tasks here, and you can do it by yourself. So please try that, and after that you can do it with me if you want. But or you can find the solution in the textbook. And this assignment, this text, everything is in textbook as well. So you can go copy it there, and you can do it by yourself. Okay, so the textbook or the link to the textbook is in description of the video. It's video number 85, so you can find it there and it will be right there. Okay, so I will do it now, but please try it by yourself. So first task, write a for loop that prints numbers from 0 to 4. So it means it will look like this. Okay, I will try. So we will we can use the range, right? For example, number in range, and we have to be careful because here the last number isn't included, right? So it's now from 0 to 4. No, not for 5. And it goes like this. Run it, and we can see it's the same, right? Like this. Okay, perfect. Here, how we said, if it is start with 0, it isn't necessary to write it there. So you can write it exactly like this, and the result will be absolutely the same. Perfect. So we have the first. I will comment it out. Second task. Write a for loop that goes through each letter in the word hello and prints it on a separate line. Okay, so it means you can do it, for example, like this. I will call it letter in, and you can write the word directly here. So the word will be hello. Okay, and I will print the letter. So it will separate the letters and store it in letter variable and print it. So I will try. Okay, hello. Or you could store the hello in some variable and put here the name of the variable like this, and the result will be the same. Perfect. I will copy. I will comment it out. Third task. Write a for loop that prints I like something for each animal in the list. So we have the animals list here, like this, and the result should be I like cat, I like dog, I like rabbit. Okay, okay, great. So again, for animal in animals, be careful because here animals means this list, and here should be animal, or how we said, it's completely up to you. It can be X, for example, but animals sounds good. So animal, and we would like to print text I like and store it here animal, or print it here animal. So it goes cat from animals, it's stored in animal, and print I like animal. After that it goes to the dog, store it in animal, and print I like dog. Okay, after that rabbit, store in animal and print I like rabbit. Okay, I can try. I like cat, I like dog, I like rabbit. Okay, perfect. Again, I will comment it out. And the fourth task. Use a for loop to calculate the sum of numbers from 1 to 5. Print the total at the end. So we should use total here. Okay, and the result should be total 15. We will see. So for number in range 1 to, be careful, from 1 to 5, so it should be here 6. Okay, again, the last number, or the 6, isn't included. So now I just print a number to check it if it is correct. Okay, it's from 1 to 5, perfect, but I need to sum it. So again, total is total plus number, and it goes over and over again, and it should be okay. So I will print the result, total. Okay, we will see, run it, and total 15. So perfect, it goes well. So here you can write a short code if you want. It goes like this. These two lines are exactly the same. Okay, so it's up to you which you will choose. Great, perfect. So don't forget that it goes in the cycle. So the first will be stored in number. Total is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. After that, in number there will be 2, but total is 1 already. So 1 plus 2 is 3, so total is 3. After that we have 3 in number, so 3 plus 3 is 6, and so on and so on. Okay, and the result will be 15. Perfect, great, I like it, so I hope you enjoy it.